Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. A few days ago, HDMI Global released a new smartphone in China called Nokia X7. Also, this phone is known as Nokia 7.1 Plus on international market. We already made a review of Nokia X6 and you can watch it on our YouTube channel. In this video, we decided to compare Nokia X7 and Huawei Honor 8X. These phones are powered by Snapdragon 710 and Kirin 710 chipsets, have notch design, and they are from the same price category, about $250. So which phone is better? Let's find out. First, you should note that Honor 8X is much bigger. It comes with 6.5-inch display, while Nokia X7 has only 6.18 inches. These phones have notch above the display. From other side, Honor 8X notch and bottom bezel look much thinner than Nokia X7. The back panels of new smartphones are made of glass. The dual camera on Honor 8X is located in the left upper corner, while Nokia X7 has it in the center. Also, there is fingerprint reader on both phones. These devices have 3.5mm audio jack microSD slot, but Honor 8X comes with only microUSB port, while Nokia X7 has USB Type-C. So if you don't afraid of big size, then I recommend you to buy Honor 8X because it comes with smaller notch, thinner bezels and gradient back panel. But if you want more compact smartphone, then your choice is Nokia X7. We already said that Honor 8X comes with bigger display. It has a diagonal of 6.5 inches, Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2340 pixels, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, 396 ppi, and 84.4% of screen-to-body ratio. If we talk about Nokia X7, it is much more compact device with 6.18 inches display, Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2280 pixels, 19 by 9 aspect ratio, 408 ppi, and 81.2% of screen-to-body ratio. Both phones have IPS LCD panels, so the image quality will be the same. As you can see the main question in screen size. You should answer this question yourself. But we choose Honor 8X because it has thinner bezels and higher screen-to-body ratio. Nokia 7.1 Plus is powered by new Snapdragon 710 chipset, while Huawei Honor 8X has Kirin 710 processor. Snapdragon 710 is more powerful than Kirin 710, so Nokia X7 scores about 175,000 points in AnTuTu, while Honor 8X has about 135,000 points in the same test. If we talk about memory, then both phones have 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of storage with microSD support. Also, we should note that Nokia X7 runs on stock Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. Honor 8X also runs Android 8.1 OS, but it has EMUI 8.1 user interface. You should try the interface, perhaps it is not for you. As for me, I prefer stock Android. So Nokia 7.1 Plus received the point from me because it is more powerful and runs on stock Android. In camera category, Nokia X7 is a winner because it is equipped with Carl Zeiss optics and amazing selfie camera. The smartphone has 12-megapixel main sensor with f1.8 aperture and 13-megapixel secondary sensor on the back. The rear camera features optical image stabilization and dual autofocus. The front camera has 20-megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture, beauty mode, portrait mode, and other features. If we talk about Honor 8X, it also has good camera, but not as good as Nokia X7. There is 20-megapixel sensor with f1.8 aperture and 2-megapixel sensor on the back. The selfie camera has 16-megapixel sensor. What do you think? Which camera is better? Write in comments below. Honor 8X is bigger than Nokia X7, so it comes with a bigger battery. Huawei device is equipped with 3750 mAh battery, while Nokia phone has 3500 mAh. However, Nokia 7.1 Plus comes with USB Type-C and fast charging support 18W. Honor 8X has only microUSB and 10W charging. So Honor 8X has a little bigger battery, but Nokia X7 comes with fast charging. There is no winner, and both phones receive by 1 point from me. Nokia X7 was announced just few days ago, so it can be hard to buy now. However, the official price on 4 and 64 GB of version is $245. The top version with 6 and 128 GB will cost $361. If we talk about Honor 8X, we checked AliExpress, and right now you can get this phone for only $228. The version with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage will cost you about $287. So Huawei device is a little cheaper, and it received the last point in this comparison. As you can see, Huawei Honor 8X has 4 points, while Nokia X7 received 3 points. The comparison shows that Huawei device is generally better, but you should consider a few things. Design and display size is our choice, and you may have another thought on this. Yes, we like the gradient design of Honor 8X and its smaller notch and thinner bezels around the display. However, Nokia 7.1 Plus comes with Snapdragon 710 chipset and better cameras. And what do you think? Which smartphone is better? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.